You good like me? You good looking like me? You handsome like me?
No, me never just be there.
You handsome like me? Must a dopey bad.
Where's it?
You're bad dopey. Instead of dopey bad. You good looking like me? Look at me. Handsome sweet boy, I kill her 6 blood.
Look at me.
I'm a mascot. Circus you want to go. You good looking like me? My youth, look at me.
Mrs. Johnson.
Oh, Donovan.
I didn't expect to see you on this excursion.
I was kind of obliged to come. My late husband was a prominent member of the gospel choir.
Oh, well, I'm sure if I could see your choral arrangements, I'd be very prominent too. The M1 is a long, straight, hard road.
Yes.
Come on. You and me should partake in the many joys of the motorway system. Let me cross your central reservation. I want to negotiate your orbital ring road. Oh yes, I've got some motorway services you won't complain about.
Is he bothering you, Ruth?
Oh, no, Uncle. It's all right.
Is this another one of your nieces?
No. She's my home help.
She must be a great helper around the home. I'm sure she keeps your old china well polished. Come on, Mrs. Johnson.
It's Sunday. This is a church trip. If you want to talk to me today, you talk about the good book, okay?
No problem. I is David. You is Goliath. I is Moses. You is the fatted calf. Come on. Let me into the promised land. I want to see a burning bush.
You wake my sister. And you know what she thinks of you?
Don't worry about her. God gave man dominion over all the animals.
Donovan, I am a Christian woman.
Mrs. Johnson, I am a Christian man. I has a firm belief in the resurrection. In fact, I has one nearly every morning. All the way.
Come here, Sophie, for coming, no come here, Sophie, love. They up on a mission, me no come for sweet talk. No bag of chatting, coming, no come for skylar. Pussy, if you run me cocky for your shoulder. If I want me, if you run, no fit tell me why car. She say I'm on a rubbish, she burn him like a dry grass. Then she say she don't want him, if forget the high grass. But I be just sitting at the sky of the purpose. Fling the jars away, fuck her away. She have to come back tomorrow. Fling the jars away, fuck her away. She say the boy need it. Like when you say your pussy too good for you. Better you fuck somebody else. Call me, yeah. She want a real gangale. She want a big.
You can hit me cards, my face. After me, they bought my business well good. Eh? You come and trouble me. Eh? After me, they were got there. I get 3 meals a day and no bills to pay. I know you trouble me and I tell me, say, me to start pay bills and then me start buying food for 3 times a day. It not work. You shouldn't trouble me from over there. Cause over there, me need good.
I mean, I know trouble you where you don't.
And you trouble me. And you trouble me. Cause first of all, when me in your belly, you could have take me out and dash me away. You never have to start. And that you should do. You should have dash me away. Me not like what you do. And you have to tell me to take care of yourself. Me not take care of myself. You bring me back where you get me from.
Mama, you can't go along.
Bring me back where you get me from.
Put yourself up in a me.
Anywhere you get me from, bring me back. Just
What's so true? Me left you for your next man. You go on like we can't be friends. All you have to do is wish me all the best, and we'll go with separate ways. You can't do that.
No, my wish when you drive out, your car broke down, front tire flat, spear you no have none. When you go out, we go look on the damage. The Almighty make a heavy rain come down. Me wish the man where you left me for, left you next week for your neighbor. When you think of the worst thing that you find out, same did a try for your sister. Me wish me never left the 2 jelly. When you drink them, me wish them run your belly. All the few little snapper when me buy, me wish them spoil not even one you don't fry. Me wish, I'm wishing. I wish things get bad with you.
Rose, you like girl? Cause one of my friend them like you.
You're talking to my pum pum. Cause you don't want up on the back. You don't know what about me, but me know what I mean.
Yeah, he love this fat ass.
So you're gonna write it same way? Yes, you can. Come on, you're doing great.
Down.
Yeah, down.
Down.
And then around and down.
Here.
Around and down, yes. And down.
Down. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Rub out everything. Clean off everything. Okay. Make your end now a small stick. Very good. Around and down. Very good. Awesome. You did it.
Please pick up the rag.
Okay, now let us rehearse this.
7, 2, 0.
Okay.
Uno.
Uno.
1, 2, 3. 3. Coco.
Take the thing out your mouth and say the word properly.
Conco.
Quattro.
Quattro. 4. Soco. Yeah, 5. 6.
Yes.
6. 7. 8. 8. Novo.
9.
8. 9. 10.
10. 11.
Oh, you forgot 10.
Yeah, 10.
Cause if I didn't know them things that from in the early 80s, we free from mental slavery from long time. But I have a cure for them. I want you to listen to this.
Oh, I love that pretty
Make I like my chalice. being that you're a Rastafarian, I think this interview would be more about herbs or your kind of
listen,
food.
you have to listen to learn, you have to love the land. Because the land is the culture is the roots, and the roots is the culture. If you don't love the culture, then you're like vulture. So listen.
Here come an island, beautiful beach with the white sand. Ganja we smoke, yeah, the high one. And Hail King Selassie and Simon. Jamaica paradise. Me love Jamaica when my have other choice. The girls them give me some other vibes, and them a tell me say yes or no.
Oh, I love that.